Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to shoot a quick video for you today, a YouTube quick tip, if you will, and it's about how you can set your upload default. So if you want to put something in the description of all of your videos, but you don't want to type it out all the time, or you don't want to go back and copy and paste and look for what you're trying to type in there, you can actually set it to where it automatically adds it to every single video that you upload. So let's jump into the computer and I'll show you exactly how to do it. What we're going to do first is you're going to go up here to the top right where your little channel icon is, click Creator Studio, and then it's going to take you to your Creator Studio page. You're going to come down to Channel. You're going to click on that. It's going to bring a drop-down menu here, and then you're going to go to Upload Defaults right there. Okay, and you can see here, this is your default. So you can set this, and every single video that you upload from now on is going to be set to this. Okay, so before I get in here, I want to go get and copy and paste what I want to put in all of my videos. So I'm going to go back to my videos up here. I'm going to go to one of the videos that I know that I've already put the information in. And then I'm going to come here, and here's my links. These are my ClickFunnels affiliate links for the One Funnel Away Challenge, the ClickFunnels 14-day free trial. You want to leave this page. You don't want to save anything there. And some other affiliate links for ClickFunnels. If you guys don't know about ClickFunnels, it's what I use to build my funnels. So when I get the traffic from YouTube, I'm sending people somewhere to be able to monetize them. That's how you make money on YouTube. So if you don't know about that, check out these links in this video down below. You can see here it's join the affiliate bootcamp. That's how you can make money with ClickFunnels as an affiliate. I do that. They give 40% of their commissions, recurring commissions. The plans are $97 a month and $297 a month. So you're making like either $38 a month or like $118 per month on people that you send over there. They've got a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels as well. And that's the platform I actually use to build the funnels out. And you're going to see that here in a minute. I'll show it to you. And then the One Funnel Away. I think I have the One Funnel Away in there somewhere. There it is, One Funnel Away. But those are the links I want to put in there, okay? I'm not going to add any tags. You could put your channel name, like mine is Full Funnel Club. You could put that there. But I just like to throw it at the end. I want the main keywords to be up top, so I don't like to put that there. We're going to set it to unlisted at first. You can choose a category if you want. Let's see, I'll do education. Standard YouTube license, cool. No title, no tags. Allow comments, yep. Users can view ratings. Select language, let's go English. Allow viewers to contribute translated titles, descriptions, and subtitles. Yes, we want to do this. In fact, I'll make another video about this, but my baseball channel with 155,000 subscribers on it, I started doing this, and I've started getting people from other countries start to translate the videos, and now I actually have two fully dedicated channels, one in China, Taiwan, and the other one is in Korea. So now these are fully functioning channels by themselves, and I have someone over there working on those channels. It's crazy. It's crazy, all because I started doing this. So definitely select that. It cannot hurt. Caption certified. We'll just go, this content has never been aired on television. Make video statistics on the watch page publicly visible. Sure, I don't care. I'm pretty transparent. Then we're going to save it. Boom. So now every time that I upload a video, it's going to go set to these standard, or when I upload the video, I upload it right through my phone. And when I do, now this is already going to be set in the description. So now I can just type out what I want the video to be about, in the description, leave a comment below, do a couple hashtags because they're doing hashtags now on YouTube. I usually do 3. But yeah, that's about it. I don't want to put the hashtags in there either because that's going to change for every video, just like the tags would. So I'm leaving those out for now, but it's a good idea to do that as well. One thing I do want you guys to check out, I said I was going to show you inside of ClickFunnels, and the way I'm going to show you inside of ClickFunnels is by telling you about this formula right here. This formula is super important if you're trying to make money online. This formula alone, if you understand it and can start using it in your business online, it's going to blow up. You can easily 3x your efforts online if you understand this formula. And I want to share that with you. I made a video about it. All you're going to do is go down into the description. You'll see my links here, but I'm also going to put another link, the first link in the description in this video. And it's going to take you to a page where you're going to enter your first name and your email, and then I'm going to shoot you over to this video. Check it out. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. You don't want to miss this one. But while you're in there, that was actually built with ClickFunnels. So check it out. It was super easy to build. It took me 10 minutes to build the page and put all the stuff together that you're going to see over there. So really cool stuff. I hope to see you over there. And if I brought you any value in this video, please hit that subscribe button. I only got 125 subscribers right now on this new channel, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 in the next 29 days. Yesterday I said 30 days, but we got 29 days left. So let's get it. I got a bunch of tips coming for you. Make sure you hit that bell so you stay notified, and I'll talk to you in the next one.